Guys, Dr. Michelle here, and I'm doing a shorty to encourage you all to come and do some preventative health medicine. I'm an acupuncturist and Chinese medicine doctor, also a registered nurse. I provide telehealth, telemedicine via phone consults or on Zoom. I also provide treatments, and I can go over that with you, or you could check out my website at www.designtoheal.biz. Click services, scroll down, and review those. Know that currently I'm having 30 to 35% off for October uh, 2025, the end of October, and then we're moving into my special holiday prices, which means prices are being revamped, they're going down, and on top of that, I'm also going to be offering a special of an extra percentage off both single appointments and packages. You can purchase a 3, 6, or 12 pack of anything you'd like. You can mix and match like you are at a restaurant, and you're picking off the menu, or you can pick all the same thing if you know what you like. You can get a med spa service, a massage, and then some acupuncture. So please reach out to me, and you can direct message me. You can email me. All of my information is on my website. And I'm hoping to move in and start doing some videos focusing on trauma. Some of you already know I love watching true crime. It's very interesting to me from a mental health perspective, and just human beings, what human beings can do, and then the survivors of true crime. So considering diving in deeper with that and providing a lot of therapy around grief, trauma, depression, everything that can come along with going through a trauma, a loss, a crime. So just know that that might be in the works, and please give the video a thumbs up, give it a subscribe, please share, so we can give the gift of health to those out there that I think the whole world needs more healing. I myself get healed every week. I get massages, 2 hours of 2 hours of massage I just had. I get acupuncture twice a month, massages twice a month, and then I'm doing my med spa, my herbs, and much more, ear seeds, yada yada. So here for you and love you. Please reach out. Again, you can direct message me, you can email me. And don't think I was going to say you can send me a message with the old bird, the message with a bird, but that won't work anymore. Okay, anyways, I'm being silly now. It's the end of the evening clinic and it's getting late, and wishing you all wonderful health. Please consider holistic medicine, acupuncture, massage. They're the meat of what I do, and herbs. And there's something for everyone. And we can treat everything that ails you from head to toe. I don't use the word cure, but we can definitely treat, support, and hopefully resolve the condition. So love you all. Mwah. It's great to make a video live again, back from my travels, probably until next year. And Princess Annabelle just walked in. Do you want to get in the video, sweetie, as we head out? Let's see if Princess... Want to get in the video? Hold on just a moment. Nope. Okay. She just dashed off. I was hoping maybe we could get a Princess Annabelle and a Dr. Michelle on video. So anyways, guys, take great care. I'm here for you, and get in on the specials, because there's going to be great specials, and I might even be adding in some more insurance billing support on some of the things that I do and offer. Okay, love you. Take great care. Ciao.